मतलब है आशा जी एंड संजू that lots of women voters जो पहले वोट नहीं करते थे उन्होंने आके इस बार वोट कर दिए. Huge women voting turnout. Now this can be linked to the Ladli Behan Yojana.
Exactly.
Dr. Asha Mirge.
Not only this is linked to Ladki Behan Yojana, and that's why these women voters are increased, and totally I think they are polarized. One thing.
They are voting for BJP, you are accepting. They are not.
But
women voters are voting for BJP, Eknath Shinde Sena.
Due to Ladli Behan Yojana, because they don't understand that, like MP, after they are in power, those Ladli Behan Yojana will be stopped. They don't understand it. No. That's why this has happened, I think.
But you're accepting.
Can I come in?
But you're accepting. This is a very big factor, Sanju. There is an acceptance by the official spokesperson of the NCP, Sharad Pawar, that the increase in voter turnout of women is big towards the BJP and will benefit the Shinde Sena.
Because they have not understood that these people are fooling women.
You can say they have not understood. Maybe you can also say, Asha ji, that they have faith.
Pardon?
Can I come in?
They also have faith in BJP and Shinde, Eknath Shinde to deliver.
No, they don't have any faith. They are fooled because of this MP Ladli Behan Yojana closing. It is 100% truth that they are fooled by these people.
Viewers, I repeat, whoever wins Maharashtra wins the narrative tomorrow. Sanju Verma is on the debate. Sanju, how are you viewing the pre-election day, the numbers?
You know, Arnab, first and foremost, let me make this very clear. The Mahayuti is romping home to victory with a thumping majority. And the BJP will actually better its strike rate of 2019. We will have a strike rate of at least 70%, maybe higher. Point number two, as you rightly said, the voter turnout was a record 65.11%. Whereas in 2019 and in Lok Sabha 2024, in Maharashtra, the voter turnout was between 61.44 and 61.33%. So 4% ज़्यादा voter turnout हुआ था. And do you know one thing? Even Mumbai, the urban centers have recorded voter turnout of more than 52%. Suburban Mumbai, voter turnout of 55.77%. कोलाबा में लोग normally vote डालने निकलते नहीं हैं. कोलाबा में भी voter turnout has improved from 40% to almost 45%. But last but not the least, कहां से सबसे ज्यादा voter turnout हुई है? पता है आपको अर्नब? That has happened in districts of Gadchiroli and Kolhapur. कोल्हापुर में 84.79% वोटिंग हुई है और गढ़चिरौली में 73.68%. गढ़चिरौली को नक्सल इन्फेस्टेड एरिया माना जाता था. कोल्हापुर को बीजेपी का गढ़ कभी नहीं माना गया. सो व्हाट डू दीज थिंग्स टेल यू? जब वोटर टर्नआउट 65% से ज्यादा हो, गढ़चिरौली में 70% से ज्यादा हो, कोल्हापुर में 84% से ज्यादा हो, विमेन वोटर्स का परसेंटेज पिछली बार के मुकाबले 6% ज्यादा हो, हवा का रुख साफ है. हवा का रुख महायुति के साथ है क्योंकि महायुति गति और प्रगति के साथ है.
Tomorrow I want a view from Yogi Gade.